Welcome to Auto Trend, where technology meets power and the future of air dominance takes flight. Today we're diving deep into the story of a jet that represents the next era of American air superiority, the Boeing F/A-XX, the United States Navy's upcoming 6th-generation stealth fighter. The F/A-XX isn't just another jet. It's the evolution of everything the Navy has learned from decades of combat aviation, from the F-14 Tomcat to the F/A-18 Super Hornet, all converging into one breathtaking masterpiece of stealth, speed, and artificial intelligence. Its twin adaptive engines deliver incredible power and efficiency, enabling supercruise speeds without afterburners. Whether it's patrolling the Pacific or engaging enemy aircraft over open seas, this jet will dominate with both endurance and agility. Inside the cockpit, the technology leaps decades ahead. Pilots will no longer rely solely on instruments. Instead, they'll interact with an AI-driven virtual co-pilot, capable of analyzing threats, plotting escape routes, and even deploying weapons automatically. The glass cockpit will feature a panoramic augmented reality display, providing a complete 360-degree view of the battlefield. But the F/A-XX isn't just a pilot's aircraft. It's a command hub in the sky. It will coordinate with drones known as loyal wingmen, forming an intelligent swarm that moves and attacks in perfect sync. These drones can scout enemy defenses, jam radar systems, or even strike independently, all guided by the F/A-XX's onboard AI network. In terms of armament, this jet can carry everything from beyond visual range missiles to hypersonic weapons, all hidden internally to preserve stealth. Precision-guided bombs, laser weapons, and directed energy systems are all expected to be integrated into its future versions. Now imagine this: the F/A-XX standing silent under clear daylight, no sun, no glare, just pure engineering perfection. The stealth black matte finish absorbs every shadow, the blue LED edges shimmer faintly, and its wings extend with authority. In the calm before flight, it looks more like a futuristic sculpture than a war machine. But beneath that beauty lies unmatched lethality. When this aircraft takes off, it vanishes into the sky like a ghost. No radar pings, no warning, just silence. That's the kind of dominance Boeing and the U.S. Navy envision, complete control from sea to space. With the Boeing F/A-XX, the Navy aims to define the next 50 years of aerial warfare, a future where speed, stealth, and intelligence merge into one. It's not just a machine, it's a symbol of power, progress, and precision. Thank you for watching Auto Trend, where we uncover the machines that shape our world and our future. If you love advanced military technology, powerful aircraft, and next-generation designs, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, because the future of aviation is just getting started.